Here's my crazy son who is going to run out in the storm. And I just saw a flash of lightning. Oh my God, you are crazy. You better get back here. I just saw a huge flash of lightning. Yo, I just saw another one. My son is a total nutcase. As you can see, the clouds and all of that. Oh, you can't really see them. Oh, yeah, you can. There's some geese landing in the cornfield across the street. And this is huge. And my son is stupid and standing out there in the rain, and there was a freaking lightning. That scared him up here. How was it? Hey, look at the camera. Tell us how it was. The cold? Of course, he doesn't answer. He just runs back out there like a lunatic. Get back up here! You're such a dork! No, he did not flip me off for real. He was just pretending. I'm waiting for the next huge crack of lightning. You know they're reporting pea-sized hail! Oh, Zeus heard you! Zeus heard you say bring it. So he is. This is probably, of the 3 storms that we had, thunderstorms we had so far, I think this one's going to be the most badass. Come on, get in the house before you get sick. I'm up here shivering like crazy. Get up here.
Wait for the hail.
No, because Zeus is warning you. You better get in.
Waiting for the hail.
It's out way out in Durand. It's not going to get here anytime soon. Come on, get in the house. Get in the house. I'm going to let your dad know the stupidity that you're doing. Shit, come on. This is not getting funny anymore. Go find a towel. Go find a towel. Don't get my tablet wet. Don't get my tablet wet. Go get a towel. Go get out. Stop. Do that fist bump noggin like Dude Perfect.